Just came back from a Philippine trip, and I will say, being away from running for a month, definitely a struggle to get back into it. Normally, I'll be a little annoyed about stopping at stoplights, but in this case, really thankful for the brakes. Hey friends, welcome back to a new series, and I'm sure you could tell that by the title of this video, it is the start of the LA Marathon training cycle. Feeling pretty jet lagged, and of course, not having been able to run the last few weeks. Definitely out of shape. If you're someone who likes to work out, or just to keep active, and you haven't been active as much within, even for just a week, you could definitely feel it. But I've been away for almost 4 weeks, and I could definitely feel it. Now, of course, just coming back from a vacation, I've definitely gained some weight, so I'm hoping, to lose some of it and kind of go back to my normal weight from what I was before I went on vacation. So keep an eye on that, and I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, that's it for the first day, so let's get on with the rest of this week. I can definitely feel the soreness, particularly on my thighs and quads. That's when when you haven't really been physically, active in a while. So just gonna do some stretching to stretch it out, and of course, massage gun. Day 1 completed. Need some new shoes. Day 2. Legs are still feeling a bit sore this morning. Didn't really get much sleep. I was tossing and turning, still feeling the jet lag. I literally went to bed around 2, woke up, close to 2, woke up probably an hour and a half later, and then back to sleep, and then woke up another hour and a half later, then woke up fully around 8:15ish. So went for my run at that point, but I'll probably take a nap a little bit afternoon just to recoup my rest, and hopefully tonight I can go to bed at a decent hour, back to what my normal schedule was before I went on my trip. I'm a little wobbly, having my legs a bit sore. This feels nice to be out walking again. long run. Taking a quick walk break. Still getting used to it, but making progress. Luckily, it's only about 60 degrees out this morning, Fahrenheit, so it's not too warm. Thank goodness, because running in the heat can be brutal sometimes. So it's gotten much cooler in terms of weather here in Southern California, not with the fall weather upon us. So, yay! Taking another quick walk break. It doesn't even help either that it's that time of month for me. So I know TMI, but that's nature for you. So women will train under any circumstances. Cramping isn't as bad yet, so luckily tomorrow's a rest day.
Wait.
It's a rest day today, so just chilling at home and probably will go for a walk later. But first, gonna get some lunch. Well, make some lunch. That completes the first week of training. I will say it was a bit rough coming back into it. Being away for 4 weeks and not running or doing kind of sort of workout takes away the fitness level of the body. If you're someone who is familiar with working out every single day or several times a week and have not been doing it for at least 1 week, your body tends to lose fitness. So right now, I will honestly say it feels like starting from scratch. And combine that with jet lag, it's a whole other thing. Things should start getting back to normal within this second week, so it should be good, but I do need to get myself into the store to get a new pair of running shoes, as you saw a day ago with a hole that has popped up on my right shoe. And of course, I am running the LA Marathon for a charity, which is City of Hope. I'll put my intro video up here, as well as in the description if you want to take a look at that, as well as the link to my fundraising page with all the information you need regarding that organization. It's a truly awesome organization. I've had the opportunity to work with them on several occasions these last few years, and you know, it was a no-brainer to choose them for the third time to raise funds for. And if you're here for the Philippine Adventures, don't worry, I still have plenty of those coming within these next few weeks. So they will be running in conjunction with each other. So you have some running and you have some awesome adventures. So it's a win-win for everyone. And with that, we'll end this first update here. Thank you so much for joining me on this first update. I am looking forward to bringing you on my training journey. Do come back next week as I have a whole new update for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.